It's all about where do they get the release. If they spook and they run from here to there and they get away from it, then that tells them anytime I'm scared, I'll run from here to there and I get a break from it. I get a release from it. So I think she's a more advanced trained horse, that all she needs is somebody that when she acts up, and it's not acting up, remember, running away or spooking or running or jumping or rearing or striking, none of that's bad behavior, it's horse behavior. So it just takes somebody that when she's doing all that, we're like, I don't care. We're gonna touch you anyway. We're gonna scare you anyway. We're gonna do this anyway. And very quickly, in 5 minutes, all of a sudden she's willing to stand. So sometimes you guys think that your horses aren't as trained as they are. They're more trained than what you think. But when it comes to spooking or making their own decision, we just have to stick to our guns a little better.